In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unpin chats in Gemini. If you've ever pinned a conversation to keep it at the top but no longer need it front and center, this quick walkthrough will show you how to move it back into your regular list without losing anything. Start by opening your browser and heading to gemini.google.com. Once the page loads, you'll see your conversations along the left side. Pinned chats typically appear at the top of that sidebar, so that's the first place to look. If your sidebar is collapsed, expand it so you can clearly see the titles of your conversations. Take a moment to identify the chat you previously pinned. It should be easy to spot, often marked with a small pin or star icon, or simply separated at the top section of the list. Next, move your mouse over that specific chat in the sidebar. When you hover, additional controls should appear. Depending on your interface, you might see a pin icon, a star icon, or a three-dot menu. Don't worry if it looks slightly different from what you've seen before. Gemini's interface can vary a bit based on updates in your browser. The key is that hovering reveals the options you need. Click the icon or the three-dot menu and look for an option labeled Unpin or Remove from Pinned. Select that option. There's usually no confirmation required, and the change takes effect right away. If the label is slightly different, something like Unpin Chat or Remove from Top, that's still the right choice. The intent is the same. Take that conversation off the pinned section. After you click, the chat will move out of the pinned area and rejoin your normal conversation list in the sidebar. Nothing inside the chat is deleted or changed. It simply loses its priority placement. If you don't see it move immediately, give the page a second to refresh visually, or scroll down your list to find where it naturally falls based on your recent activity. A quick tip: if you unpin a chat by mistake, you can reverse the process the same way. Hover over it again and choose Pin or Add to Pinned when that option appears. Also, keep in mind that these steps are designed for the desktop browser experience. If you're using a different device or a mobile app, the controls may appear in a slightly different spot, but the idea is the same. That's all there is to it. You've successfully unpinned a chat in Gemini and kept your conversation list organized exactly the way you want.